질때야 너게 말할 수 있는데 그만큼 널 알고 있어 장점 단점 다 이것만 얘기하다 난 밤새 자신.
Hey guys, so nakalagpas na kami ng immigration ni Kisha and so far wala naman siya masyadong tinanong. Actually maganda yung immigration officer namin. Maganda siya. And then chill lang siya. Wala naman siya madaming tanong. Anyways, we're at Blue Smith. Ito na lang kami kakain. Actually kumain kami ng Panda Express nung layover. Galing kami office. So, I ordered mango shake and warm glazed donut. We are very confused kasi hindi namin makita ang gate 116. Gate 16 finally. Okay guys, actually mabilis yung flight. No joke. We're going to Terminal 1, I guess. Transfer via train. Yun tayo, kabila.
열차가 출발합니다. 손잡이를 잡아주십시오.
Nakuha na namin yung luggage namin. We're gonna book a limousine bus. Wait, so ma-access ko pa yung Gcash ko. Hala!
Oh, hell no.
Kailangan pala ng OTP ang ano. Wala ng bus. I mean, may bus papuntang Myeongdong kaso 5 AM pa.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na kaya. So, ginawa namin is, bumili kami ng bus ticket papuntang Seoul Station and then, taxi na lang. How much yung taxi? 7 to
7 to 10,000.
Okay, 7 to 10,000 won. I don't know.
Okay na.
I don't know how much, but it's like 300 pesos siguro.
We don't care.
We don't care. Pagod na. We bought food na lang sa CU. The legendary banana milk. I'm gonna taste. I will lang taste test tayo.
Problema na naman natin pagdating din ka ang taxi.
Okay, lasa nito.
Kasi mag-overprice sila ba?
Kaya pala madaming masarapan nito. Buti na lang marunong akong magbasa. Bulgogi pala to sa kanya kay Spam Mayo. Ma-overwhelm na ako sa words sila, so kailangan ko siya basahin ng like kagaya to.
Ni Papago.
Bulgogi, but it's pork. This is pork bulgogi.
Bigyan mo ko lang ng review.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Magkano ba lang? Malay?
괜찮아.
Bakit hindi mo microwave?
괜찮아요.
Cold?
괜찮아. 괜찮아.
Good morning. Convenience store run. Kasi may binisita ng monthly red blood cells. Laki naman yan. Yang pa dyan. Basta onion. Feel ko banana milk lang ata talaga pinunta ko dito. Banana. Chamchimayo. Tuna. Chongyang bulgogi. Ito, bulgogi. Chicken mayo. bulgogi. 전추 비빔. 전추 비빔. Hey guys, so we're heading to Seongsu, day 1 of shopping. Weather today, malamig ang hangin but it's humid. Pawis na ako pero malamig ang hangin. Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Nagtanggal na siya ng leather jacket niya. We're walking papuntang Blue Elephant. And then after ng Blue Elephant, nasa gitna naman siya banda. Lakad-lakad na kami afterwards. Ano pa babilin mo? Watermelon. Mahal. Oh, close. 12 pa. Kaya pala walang tao. Late pala mag-open lahat dito. It's fine, it's fine. Lakad-lakad naman tayo. We're at Blue Elephant na. Stickers for my maleta. Tsaka aqua flask. It costs 50 pesos isa, but okay lang, malaki naman. So we're at a tonkatsu place. We're having our lunch here. Actually, not bad ang price. Laki ng meal ko. It's 14,000 won. 14,000 won. Hindi, I mean, malaki yung meal set. Mine is 14,000 won. And then yung soft drinks nila is 100. Sticker haul. We're going to Tambourines and Musinsa. Hanapin ko yung dyan kaya na talaga. We made it. Our first bus ride. Damage done. Damage number 2 done. Oh my god, nakakita siya na MLB. We are going to Nangsan Tower. Kukuha pa pala kami ng ticket para sa cable car. 7 minutes walk. Oh my god. Sinusubukan ako ng mundo. Finally. Look. Oh my god, another pataas. Cable car na. Oh my god! Punta na kami dun sa tuktok. Diyan kami pupunta. here it is. Wow. Okay lang guys, yun lang. CR with a view. Guys, ito ang dapat na CR. With a view. Hindi ka ako makita dito. So, we are going back to Myeongdong because we're hungry for street food.
So, we're going back because we're hungry for the bread.
Bread?
Bed. We have to
A bed.
rest muna.
Currently, 7:36 p.m. Maaga pa. I mean, look. Maliwanag pa. Oh my God. Umaambon na. The choice is mag-bus ba or maglakad na lang. Kung mag-bus pa kami, mahaba ang pila, hindi ikot pa. Pero pag maglalakad kami, mas malapit. Umbrella secured. This is panic buying. Hindi. Oh, 350 pesos. The weather is very unpredictable. Legit. Vouch ko yung mga TikTokers, legit sila. We're back at Myeongdong. Lol. Lapit na pala eh. One more!
Accessories.
One more! One more! One more! Guys, the rain is starting na. So, I will end this vlog. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye!